have been in Bangalore for last 6 years, and I have been searching for a suitable home for my own purpose for the last almost 6 months. And that's how I come across the project called Arc Serene County. Should I start? Yeah. I have been searching for the projects in Bangalore Whitefield area since my company is situated in this particular area, and because of the commuting easiness, it was easy for me to search around in this particular area. And one of the factors that is most important for me is that if at all, let's say if I do not reside in this particular area in future, I would have an opportunity to have got this apartment getting rented out. The most exclusive part is that I have gotten choice to select the apartment, and which I got it of my choice. So once I booked the apartment in 205 on the second floor, I made it clear to the sales team of Arc Serene County that what all the specification I need to have. The most personal satisfaction that can come across to any apartment owner is that the sales team has actually looked after the entire changes that we have discovered over the architecture. One of the most important things that has come across is the overall modus operandi that has been adopted by the sales team of Arc Serene County, besides looking after the personal details of each and every apartment owner. The factors which accounted for the selection of Arc Serene County is the commuting easiness towards the professional space, which is in and around ITPL area, the architecture and the amenities which they have discovered towards the owners of each and every apartment, starting from the swimming pool, the clubhouse, the essentials of water harvesting, the no presence of or the absence of the common walls that is there. Then they have actually discovered that there is a need for the children parking area and the old age house park, apart from the in and out entry towards the entire layout, which most or less looks like a differentiation from the other projects. If you talk about any other project that comes across in Whitefield, either the price factor is quite high, which doesn't suit to your pocket, or there are other things where you need to compromise. One of the most important things that generally used to come across from our perspective is that they have got a long history of around 22 years in the construction business, which makes sense for having a personal satisfaction towards the apartment owners. The reason why it comes quite high on the commitment area is because once you refer these projects to anybody, let's say your friends or your colleagues, it makes an impact on their mind that the decision which has been made by me on my personal choice makes sense. It is quite of relevance that these people have also taken a quite bit of interest in the project, and most of my references have actually come out to be a success for Arc Serene County. That's how I feel that on a personal satisfaction bar as well as on the commitment ratio. For example, in terms of the competition that is being faced throughout the projects in Whitefield area, the distinction stands apart with Arc Serene County.